If you're wondering how to secure your supply chains with Tenable, you're in the right place. Tenable provides an innovative approach to cybersecurity that can help protect your supply chain from risks you might not even know exist. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you how you can use Tenable for free, and you'll also get some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. The first thing to understand is that Tenable focuses on identifying vulnerabilities in your supply chain before they can become a serious threat. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, supply chains are often the weakest link. But Tenable's platform provides continuous monitoring and vulnerability assessments, making sure you can catch threats early and reduce your exposure to risks. Next thing you need to know is that Tenable is designed to scale with your business. Whether you're managing a small supplier network or a global supply chain, Tenable helps you secure everything from endpoints to servers to applications. Its integration with existing systems is seamless, allowing you to monitor and manage your supply chain security with minimal disruption. The third thing Tenable does well is assess and manage the risk across your supply chain by analyzing your vendor security postures. You can ensure that your partners are following best practices and identify any potential gaps in their security that could impact your business. You don't have to rely solely on your own security measures. Tenable brings visibility into the overall risk landscape of your supply chain. The fourth thing is Tenable's ability to track changes in your supply chain in real time. If a new vulnerability is discovered or a supplier's security posture changes, Tenable instantly updates your risk profile. This real-time response can be a game changer in quickly mitigating potential threats before they spread. Moving on, Tenable's advanced analytics give you detailed insights into how vulnerabilities affect your supply chain. Instead of looking at individual components in isolation, Tenable provides a broader picture, helping you prioritize which vulnerabilities need to be patched first. With these insights, you can make smarter, more informed decisions on where to allocate resources to strengthen your cybersecurity defenses. Now, let's talk about that exclusive offer I mentioned earlier. You can actually try Tenable for free from the link below, and as part of our exclusive bonus offer, you'll get extended access to features that will make it easier for you to secure your supply chains. This is a limited time deal, so don't wait too long to check it out. By now, you've learned how Tenable can help you secure your supply chain, from vulnerability assessment to real-time monitoring, all while giving you the tools to manage risks across your vendor network. If you're ready to start protecting your business, click the link in the description to get started with the free trial and unlock those bonus features today. So, there you have it. Securing your supply chains with Tenable isn't just possible, it's easier than you might have thought. Don't miss out on that exclusive extended free trial and take control of your supply chain security now.